If you receive an offer on your home and the buyers have to sell their home first, but you have no idea how long it's going to take, how do you protect yourself as a seller? The answer is with a kick-out clause. My name is Maury and I'm here at 301 Bibb Street in Louisa. My sellers are closing today, and this all began with an offer with a kick-out clause. Here's how it all played out. We first hit the market on April 8th, and within 5 days, we had our first offer. Now, it was subject to the sale of the buyer's house, so we had a home sale contingency in the offer. I discussed this with my sellers, and we added a kick-out clause because the home for the buyers was not even listed yet, and we had no idea how long it was going to take. That allowed me to keep marketing my seller's home and to receive offers until these buyers would get a full contract on their house. So we went under contract with the kick-out clause, and at the same time, I kept full speed ahead on all marketing, which included social media platforms, postcard mailouts with QR codes, email blasts to everyone in the neighborhood, two separate YouTube walkthrough videos. And then, just 5 days later, we had our second offer. No house sale contingency, simple pass-fail home inspection, and the best thing, it was $5,000 above list price. Yeah. So we gave notice to the first buyers that we had another offer. They hadn't even had a showing on their home yet, so it was obvious they went on and quickly signed a release of contract, and then the second contract came into first position. We are closing today, June the 4th. I just came by to pick up my lock boxes. My sellers are quite happy. At last count, my 2 separate walkthrough YouTube videos had 120 views. These things really work. In the end, my sellers netted $9,000 more than we originally expected. Amazing. And we're closing today with happy buyers and even happier sellers. The key? Smart strategy and serious marketing, including the 2 full walkthrough videos that netted over 120 views. Plus, postcards with QR codes for the listing information, targeted emails, full social media exposure. Every piece worked together to bring in the strongest offers possible. If you're thinking about selling, or even just starting to think about it, let's talk. I'll be glad to send you some of my recent videos so that you can view them and see the difference for yourself. No pressure, just great marketing, straight talk, and results that speak for themselves. My name is Maury, and I've helped both buyers and sellers in Charlottesville and all 7 surrounding counties since 1990. Let's chat and find the best strategy for you to get top of the market pricing.